have taken to letting the foam inside settle a bit, and I've got all the glass and buckets and everything I need, basically glasses and ready. But this outside is done. It's got good layered glass, and there was a couple of side repairs actually that were holding this up. Is what it was. Why I cut another part of the deck out, so it was both sides that were like that. So this is pretty much ready, other than being glassed in, which I don't know, like I said in the last video, I'm pretty exhausted. I'm ready to go home, but this really needs to get done. Man, huh? End of the day, sun's about to hit the tips of the trees. Man, huh? Don't you hate that? I've got a good hour and a half left on this, I'm sure of it. And then I gotta bolt the seat back in. What else? And the hatches that go, the seat cushions that go in the forward section here, which isn't too bad. I think I'm ready to go home, guys. What do you think? Doesn't matter what you think. It matters what I think. So, but I'll tell you what, if you made it this far, you made it pretty far. Go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm gonna make another video tomorrow of this. We're gonna put all this glass in and call it